Top 5 Best Lathe Mill Combo. Microlix High Precision Heavy Duty R8 Miniature Milling Machine in just $1,699. This Microlix High Precision Heavy Duty R8 Miniature Milling Machine is your ideal choice for precision milling. Powered by a powerful brushless 500W motor, this machine offers more torque than ever before. It's the only true inch machine on the market with 0.50 inch per turn table feed screws, and it offers a tilting column and belt-driven spindle. With many accessories available, you can enhance its features and capabilities. This mini mill has power, accuracy, and takes up less bench space, all at the price of $1,699. Weaver Metal Lathe 8.7 by 29.5 inch, 220 by 750 m Mini Metal Lathe 1100W Infinitely Variable Speed Mini Lathe Machine LED Screen for counterface turning drilling in just $1,199.99. Infinitely Variable Speed. The Mini Metal Lathe is driven by DC motor with power, 1100W. Variable Speed, RPM. 50-2,250 plus or minus 10%. Taper in spindle nose, MT5. LED screen shows you the clear and accurate speed for accurate working. Soft start. Change-over switch for clockwise or counterclockwise spindle rotation. Operate either manually or with the adjustable auto feed rate. 750 mm large swing range. The benchtop lathe brings a 3-jaw chuck with diameter 4.9, 125 mm. Swing over bed 8.7, 220 mm and swing over cross slide 29.5, 750 mm offers more possibilities for large size and heavy workpieces. Taper in spindle nose, MT5. Range of imperial threads, 8 to 44 TPI. Professional compound rest. The mini lathe machine quick change tool post can achieve positions of internal cutting, face cutting and bevel cutting by changing the tool post angle and adjusting the compound rest, moving blades freely with feed rod. Heat hardening lead screw. Supportive and protective. Steady rest works as an end support, ensuring chatter-free operation. Follow rest is used for turning operations on long, slender workpieces. Backsplash guard included. Adjustable tailstock. Taper in tailstock spindle, MT2. Rotate the lever clockwise to lock the spindle, and rotate clockwise to advance the handwheel. To offset the tailstock for cutting tapers by adjusting the 4 set screws located on the tailstock base. Proxen 34104 mil, drill head PF 230, 1.38 by 15.75 inches in just $880.04. The Proxen 34104 mil, drill head PF 230, 1.38 by 15.75 inches is the ultimate tool for precision engineering. It features a 110 to 120 V, 60 Hz, 140 W, 0.1877 horsepower, and 6 speed ranges from 280, 550, 870, 1200 to 1500 and 2200 revolutions per minute. The compound table has XY travel for longitudinal and crosswise motion. For added convenience, 3 collets of sizes 15/64, 5/16, and 25/64, 6, 8, 10 mm are included. Get yours now for only $880.04. Grizzly Industrial G07698 by 16 inches variable speed combination lathe mill in just $3,020. This Grizzly Industrial G07698 by 16 inches variable speed combination lathe mill is an ideal machine for handling multiple operations. Its 3/4 HP 600W, 110 volts, 10A motor allows you to work with variable speed ranges of 50-1000 and 100-2000 RPM. The lathe offers an impressive swing over bed of 8 1/4 and cross slide of 4-5/8. The mill has a swing of 13, making this a multi-purpose machine for a variety of operations. Its overall size is 36 inches W by 20 inches D by 34 inches H, and it comes with a price tag of $3,020. Grizzly Industrial G9729 31 inches 3/4 HP combo lathe mill in just $3,080. Introducing the Grizzly Industrial G9729 31 inches 3/4 HP combo lathe mill with an affordable price tag of $3,080. This powerful tool features a forward, reverse switch, a built-in milling table with T-slots, and 2 separate motors for lathe and mill operations. It also provides power longitudinal feed for drilling operations and power cross feed for milling operations. This is an ideal tool for a variety of turning, facing, boring, and threading needs.